Heute gibt es einen Zeitraffer vom Komplettumbau dieser Wohnung. Hier siehst du schon mal ein paar Vorher-Nachher-Bilder. Einiges davon kennst du schon aus früheren Projekten. Wenn du das cool findest und mehr solche Videos haben willst, schreib das unten in die Kommentare. Und ansonsten wünsche ich dir jetzt viel Spaß beim Projekt Wohnungumbau.
I got too much on my mind. I got too much on my mind these days. To be dealing with your mood swings. Start back you, baby, please, no games. I got too much on my mind. I got too much on my plate. You just wanna know, child. I just need some time space. I just need another day. Need to find another way. Girl, I used to play some sports, but I'm sick of all the guys. Now I don't care about your plans. Girl, I'm sorry, I just can't. I'm just doing what I can. It's big about it like your chance on your mind. I got too much on my mind these days. To be dealing with your mood swings. Start back you, baby, please, no games. I got too much on my mind. Start back you, baby, please, no games. I got too much on my mind. Start back you, baby, please, no games.
One night, one drink, one dance, now it's one fight. Last shot, last chance, and I'm alright. I don't need your ass. Keep on playing games and I'ma leave your ass. Hey, I'm falling off without you. When I'm off the AO, I don't think about you. I can do the fade love, my heart don't know how to. You just make me hate myself when I'm around you. These ain't growing pains, you just ain't the same. I can't take this change, baby, please.
Girl, I got too much on my mind. I got too much on my mind these days. To be dealing with your mood swings. I just wanna take you home, so lose the grip and make it on your own. Lady, you've got a claustrophobic mind, and I am not the vagrant kind. Baby, I just wanna take you home, so lose the grip and make it on your own. Lady, you've got a claustrophobic mind, and I am not that vagrant kind. Not that vagrant kind. Yeah.
This is hard.
She said don't call my phone on a Friday night, but I never did listen. So I'ma hit you now on a FaceTime, and I know you won't miss it. Girl, I know you waited, you ain't over me. You only wanna talk to the soul with me. Things didn't work in the past life, that doesn't mean that I won't try. She said, stop it, you always let me down when I want you. I can't help it, but I can't let you forget me. Won't let you forget me. Girl, I take back all the lies and the side. Girl, I try. Let's remember all the times that we did have, and the times I made you laugh when you sat up on my lap, and the borders wasn't packed 'cause of COVID. Back and forth we go, that ain't all she wrote. And you tried moving far, I tried moving on. I can't let you forget me. She said, stop it, you always let me down when I want you. I can't help it, but I can't let you forget me. Won't let you forget me.
Zu allen einzelnen Arbeiten habe ich dir unten drunter die ausführlichen Videos verlinkt. Wenn dich da was interessiert, guck rein. Ansonsten sehen wir uns beim nächsten Mal. Ich gebe dir einen fetten Kuss auf die Nuss und ciao. Kakao. Mua.